Welcome to understand the multifunction bending machine. This machine is powered by hydraulic cylinder propulsion, using the replacement of the mold to achieve a variety of processing as one of the machine. The processed workpieces are triangular, square, rectangular, and polygon, with processing range height within 150 mm and processing thickness within 40 mm. The inner diameter can be controlled within 23 mm. Punch mold can be processed circular holes, square holes, rectangular holes, and other shapes can also be processed circular pipe gap. For more instructions, please refer to the technical scheme. Cutting molds can process profiles with a thickness of 14 mm and 135 mm. Length can be fixed point control. Section cutting mold can cut off the square pipe, round pipe, and corner steel. Round pipe molds can process pipes within 48 mm in diameter. The circular arc is controlled by advancing the mold. The leveling mold can correct each internal profile, and its advantage is that it can correct or bend a certain radius. The shrink mold can process different tubes, and it only needs one shrink mold. The machine only needs to replace different molds, can process all kinds of profiles. Powerful function, less investment. The machine adopts the modular combination. The operation interface has the Chinese mode and the English mode. The control mode has the manual mode, the semi-automatic mode, and the fully automatic mode. Power supply voltage is 380 volts 50 Hz if special mode and special voltage are required.